Hey there. Welcome to Insta Engine AI. This is where your ideas turn into high-performing Instagram and YouTube content, all from one simple platform. No complicated tools, no messy workflow, just one powerful engine built for creators, marketers, and agencies. Now let's jump inside. This is your main dashboard, your complete control panel. At the top, you get a quick overview of your activity. Total avatars created, total videos created, total YouTube posts, total Instagram posts. From here, you can instantly track everything you've created and published. Content creation and publishing section. Just below, you'll see your main action area, create video, Instagram publisher, YouTube publisher, templates. From here, you can create new videos. Scroll down below to explore all of your recent creations. Here, you can revisit, manage, and get inspired by everything you've made. Side navigation menu. On the side menu, you'll find all the powerful tools neatly organized. Dashboard, create videos, automation, trend analysis, AI agent, agency, and settings. Everything is placed logically so you can move fast and stay focused. Let's create your first video. Click on Create Video, then click Create New Video. A pop-up appears with 3 options: create videos using editor, create using avatar, create using templates. Let's explore one by one. Start from scratch. Click Create Videos using editor. Now simply enter your video name, and that's it. Now you're inside the Insta Engine AI video editor. On the left side, you'll find all your creative tools in one place. From here, you can add avatars, choose templates, use AI studio tools, change backgrounds, add text and elements, and manage all your assets. Everything is neatly organized for smooth workflow. At the bottom, you'll see the timeline. This is where you arrange clips, sync voiceovers and music, and even add subtitles to your own voice. Just click AI subtitles and boom, your captions are generated instantly. And that's not all. Every element on the timeline can be animated, giving your videos a dynamic, professional look. See how simple it is? Everything is in one place and easy to adjust. Once you're done, simply save your project as a draft or export your video. That's it. Fast, simple, and powerful video creation with Insta Engine AI.
Urban edge, timeless style, bold statements, effortless confidence. Define your
Indulge in sweet delights at Sugar Rush Dessert Haven.
我是一名画家，我热爱艺术，用画笔表达内心的情感。
Hoy me gustaría recomendarte una selección de accesorios de la marca.
Next is Avatar Video. Let's move to the Avatar Video section. As soon as you click Create Avatar Video, a pop-up appears asking you to choose your avatar type. Here, you get 2 options: Create Photo Avatar or Create Video Avatar. For now, let's start with Photo Avatar. Inside your Appearance section, you get access to 1,000 plus professional photo avatars. Organized by different categories, styles, and use cases, you can simply choose an avatar that matches your brand, or upload your own photo avatar as well. Once you select your avatar, you'll land on Setup section. At the top, you can see your avatar name, so you always know which avatar you're working with. You can change easily. Just below that, this is where you write your script, or use the magic word tool to enhance your script effortlessly. Next, select your AI voice. You can choose from multiple languages and genders, or even use voice cloning for a more personal touch.
Welcome to the future, where imagination comes to life.
Welcome to the future where imagination comes to life. Welcome to the future where imagination comes to life.
Once everything is set, simply click Generate Video. And in just a few moments, your AI photo avatar video is created automatically, ready to preview, download, or use in your content. That's how easy it is to create avatar videos.
Hey there, welcome to Insta Engine AI, a smarter way to create high-quality videos. With AI avatars, ready-to-use templates.
Hey there, welcome to Insta Engine AI, a smarter and easier way to create professional videos.
Bonjour et bienvenue. Avec Insta Engine AI, créer des vidéos professionnelles est simple.
Next, let's move to Create Video Avatar. Click on Create Video Avatar, and inside, you'll land in the Appearance section. Here, you get access to 2,000 plus professional video avatars. Realistic, high-quality avatars in video form, organized by different categories, styles, and use cases. You can simply choose an avatar that perfectly matches your brand, niche, or content style. Once you select your avatar, you're taken to the Setup section. Here, the process is exactly the same as photo avatar creation. Click Generate. And that's it. In just a few moments, your AI video avatar is live, ready to preview, download, and use in your content.
Hi, I'm Scarlett. Welcome to Insta Engine.
Namaste.
आज हम देखेंगे कि आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस कैसे आपके मार्केटिंग लक्ष्यों को प्राप्त करने में मदद कर सकता है।
The course's focus on future knowledge and innovation caught my attention. Enjoy a rich library of digital avatars and voices.
Now let's move to the template section. Here, you get access to a wide range of ready-to-use video templates, designed for different purposes and industries. At the top, you can browse templates in portrait and landscape mode in different categories like advertisement, e-commerce, learning and development, breaking news, and more. Each template is professionally designed, so you don't need to start from scratch. Simply choose a template that matches your goal. Once you select a template, you can fully customize it, change text, replace visuals, add your script, adjust colors, and update branding. Templates help you create high-quality videos faster, with zero design or editing experience. Just pick, customize, and publish. That's how easy content creation is with Insta Engine AI. Now that you've created videos using editor, avatar, and templates, all your videos are saved inside your video library. From here, you can easily preview your videos. Create videos, avatar video, and draft videos, all video in one place. Click on the three-dot menu, and you can rename your video, move it to another workspace, or delete it. Everything managed from one single place.
Struggling to track my fitness progress without accurate data was frustrating. Then I discovered the Sam.
Unleash your creativity with TikTok's massive music library.
Immerse in music with 33 dB noise, cancellation, and transparency mode for awareness.
Now let's jump to the next powerful section, automation. Click on automation, and here you'll see two options, Instagram automation and YouTube automation. Let's start with Instagram automation. Here, you get two powerful and easy-to-use options, auto post and auto reply. With auto posts, you can automatically publish your videos or reels to Instagram. First, choose your video and select the media type, post or story, depending on what you want to share. Next, enter your caption, then decide whether to publish instantly or schedule it for later. Finally, hit publish, and boom, your Instagram post is live and visible to your audience.
Then I discovered the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 with AI features. The energy score feature caught my attention.
Next is auto reply. This feature allows you to automatically respond to comments and messages on Instagram. Set it up once, and Insta Engine AI takes care of everything for you, saving time while keeping your engagement active. That's how easy and powerful Instagram auto reply is with Insta Engine AI. Next, YouTube automation. Click, and inside YouTube automation, you get three smart options, auto post, auto reply, and auto comment. First, click on auto post. Here, simply click upload new video. Now you can choose a video. Either select a video you've already created inside Insta Engine AI, or upload your own video from your computer. Once the video is selected, move to video details. First, add your video title. You can type your title manually or use the magic wand tool. With the AI title generator, just describe your video idea, and AI will generate high-click YouTube titles for you automatically. Next is the description. If you already have a description, just paste it here. Or use the magic wand again. The AI description generator creates AI-optimized descriptions designed to boost watch time, engagement, and reach on YouTube. After that, add your tags. You can paste your own or use the AI hashtag generator. Next comes the thumbnail. You can drag and drop your own thumbnail or click create using AI. Just type your idea and AI will automatically create a scroll-stopping thumbnail for your video. Cool, right? Now move to schedule. You can publish the video instantly or schedule it for a specific date and time. You can also choose visibility, category, and other YouTube publishing options here. Finally, go to preview and publish. Here you get a final review of your video. Title, thumbnail, description, schedule, and visibility. Once everything looks good, just click publish video, and that's it. Your video is successfully published. And you even get a shareable link to post it on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Telegram, LinkedIn, and more.
Struggling to track my fitness progress without accurate data was frustrating. Then I discovered the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 with AI features. The energy score feature caught my attention instantly.
That's how YouTube Autopost works inside Insta Engine AI. Create, optimize, schedule, and publish. All from one single dashboard. Now that your video is uploaded, click on Auto Reply. This feature helps you automatically reply to comments on your YouTube videos. First, choose the target video. Select the video where you want auto replies to work. Next, add trigger keywords. Whenever someone comments using these keywords, AI will automatically reply on your behalf. You can also enable custom reply mode if you want more control over how replies are sent. Below that, set the duration, maximum number of replies, delay between replies, and when the automation should stop. Once set, now you are jumping auto comment. Here, you can automatically post comments on your own YouTube videos. First, choose the target video. Then, add your comment text. This can be promotional, informational, or engagement focused. You can post the comment instantly, or set a delay to make it look more natural. Click save, and your comment will be posted automatically.
My fitness progress without accurate data was frustrating.
Next, click on Trend Analysis from the left sidebar. This feature helps you discover what's trending right now on Instagram in your niche and what people are actively engaging with on Reels and posts. At the top, you'll see the Enter Keyword field. Here, type any keyword related to your Instagram content or industry. For example, I've entered the keyword earning. After entering the keyword, choose whether you want to see top trending Instagram content or recent Instagram media, and then click the search button. Within seconds, the system shows you real Instagram trending data. On this screen, you can see a preview of trending Instagram posts and Reels, the caption, hashtags, likes, and comments. This helps you clearly understand which type of Instagram content is working and what Instagram users are currently interested in. If you like the hashtags, simply click on copy tags and use them directly in your Instagram posts or Reels. With trend analysis, you don't have to guess what to post on Instagram. You create Instagram content that's already trending, helping you grow faster and get better engagement. Now let's move to the AI agent section. This is where Insta Engine AI gives you ready-made AI assistants, each trained for a specific Instagram and YouTube task. At the top, you can switch between Instagram and YouTube agents depending on the platform you're working on. Now let's select one. Click on any agent. As soon as you click, you're taken to the chat screen. Here, you can simply type your requirement, BR like as, IN for viral reel ideas, captions, hooks, or posting strategy. The AI agent responds instantly, giving you actionable suggestions based on platform algorithms. You can start a new conversation anytime, switch between agents, and use them again and again for different tasks. This way, instead of hiring multiple experts, you get an entire AI social media team inside Insta Engine AI. Simple, fast, powerful. Now let's move to the agency section. This is where Insta Engine AI helps you run and scale your agency business. From here, you can manage clients, manage teams, white label, DFY client proposal, templates, editable invoice template, client feedback, and many more. Everything is one place. Let's move to manage clients. From here, you can easily add and manage your clients. To add a new client, enter the required details such as name, email, user level, and select access to workspace. Once everything is filled, simply click Add, and your client will be added successfully. You can also edit or delete any client at any time, all from the same place. Next, go to Manage Team. Here you can add your team members by entering their name and email. Click Add, and your team member will be added successfully. You can easily manage, edit, or delete team members whenever needed, without leaving the page. Finally, let's move to White Label. From here, you can upload your own logo and customize the platform with your brand identity. This allows you to present the platform as your own professional product. Finally, let's move to Settings. Here you can manage your workspace, check your subscription details, connect integrations, watch tutorials, access your bonuses, and contact support whenever needed. Everything is neatly organized, so managing your Insta Engine AI account is simple and stress-free. Welcome to Insta Engine AI, where innovation meets imagination.